Hey, welcome back everybody. As you can see, I'm still in Port Barton, and today I want to talk about Port Barton in general with you. Port Barton is a very small village and it's just a few streets. It's very laid back, and the main thing you do here is go island hopping. That's why it's very often compared to El Nido, because in El Nido and Port Barton the main thing you do is go island hopping. I did that yesterday and I had very much fun, and if you want to check that out, I put the link in the description below for you. So more about Port Barton. As I said, it's a nice village with small streets and not that many people, not that many tourists as well. So you don't have the big buses coming and going for island hopping tour. That's why it's also very liked by backpackers as me as well. And so that you get a better idea of Port Barton, I will show you now some nice drone shots of the bay, so you see how the bay looks, where you're also starting with the boats. You can see it's just a small bay, and the vibe here is like a village vibe, and it's really laid back. And what I want to tell you about today is more about the surroundings in Port Barton, what you also can do besides the island hopping. I rented a scooter yesterday, and all the destinations I will show you like a little bit I also did just in one day. So when you're driving to the north, there are also more beaches to explore where you can also go by private boat, but I rented a scooter and went up north. So the first attraction you will see, like here, is this beautiful waterfall. This waterfall is called Pamuyan Waterfalls, and there's also a possibility to jump. I saw local jumping. It's always good if you see local jumping, ask them if it's possible or not to jump, because you don't want to get hurt. And then from this waterfall you can go drive further north to the other waterfall, and these waterfalls are called Bingao Falls. That's a much longer drive, and I also have to say the road gets really bad. When you've been to the Bingao waterfalls, we just passed a small street and we found this beautiful beach, what you can see here right now. Palm trees, nothing around, just a whole beach for us. We saw two boats coming. They did actually like a trip from Port Barton to there. Then I drove back with a friend of mine, and we passed again Port Barton and went to the south further, where it's going towards to the Coconut Beach and the White Beach. And the Coconut Beach was for me really cool, because it has just a lot of rough palm trees, and it's just a beautiful beach, and we stayed there and watched the sunset. It was a great day, and I wanted to show you now the Coconut Beach with a nice sunset with some nice drone shots. I hope you enjoy. Yeah, that's it again from Port Barton. I just wanted to let you know I rented a scooter for 400 pesos. The normal price is 500, but I was walking around for a while to find somebody who would give me two scooters for 400. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions about Port Barton or in general, then let me know. Write it down in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and hope to see you next time. Bye.